Hey friend, hey, welcome to Stay Calm and Budget. Today we're going to be stuffing some of our sinking funds. We don't have a lot of sinking funds we're going to be stuffing, but they're still going to get stuffed. So sit back, relax, and let's get stuffing. Hey friend, hey, my name's Shatara. Welcome to Stay Calm and Budget. Like I said in the intro, we're going to be stuffing some sinking funds today. Not too many. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 sinking funds we're going to be stuffing, and our wallet, plus giving the wife her money. So let's see how much we got in the money pouch. Money pouch, money pouch. All right. So we have a lot. All of this is not going into these 4, but some of it's going to be going into our savings challenges. So to help out with counting, of course, we're going to bring out Old Reliable. Hey girl, hey. All right. Let's have Old Reliable help us count how much we're going to be stuffing, starting with the hundreds. And no, I did not go through this before and change all of the hundreds the right way. So let's do that really quickly. And I did not check and see if I had any Starbucks. So we're going to be doing that as we count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have 1,000. Get these 50s out. See a couple of 20s stuck in there. Let's change these around. All right, we have 5, 10, 15, 20. Uh-oh, we got a 50 star. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Okay. I don't even know what to do with that. I'm gonna have to switch that out somehow because I am not stuffing that in. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. What is that? I don't even know. 80. Oops, what am I doing? Okay, let's try this again. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 800, and then I had 1,000 up here already, so that's 1,800. Sorry, I just got all discombobulated because I had a star note on a 50, y'all. My $1, I hung it up. I hung it up in my office. All the craze on the dollar notes. I mean, the star notes, right? Let's see, put this together. Okay, I think I am good to go. All right. We have 20. 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 3, 20. 320 plus 320. Move you right on down. Let's get some of these 10s. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Plus 70. Okay, let's move this all over. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, plus 35. Okay. I know I should have did this before I started the video, but it is what it is. It's gonna do what it does. Those are dirty. So dirty. Shh, mommy's doing a video. Okay. You can sit right there. Scoot back. There we go. You can have a snack. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 ones. So that's plus 22. And we have $2,247. That's going to be divvied up between these categories and our savings challenges. So without further ado, let's bring out Miss Wallet. Ooh, ooh. I have not done my change, so I'll do that off camera. But let's see what we have. Nothing probably. So in personal, we have 0. Groceries, we have, you know what, I think I need to start making me a rollover fund. We got some ones in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. Gas, can you believe it? We got some left over. I got this old $10 bill from the gas station, y'all. I was like, I don't even want to, you know, spin it or I don't want to do nothing with it. But Mr. Hamilton, this is an old one. But anywho, let's see how much we got. We got 20, 30, 1. Oh, wait, I got a 5 in here. So we got 20, 30, 5, 36, 37. So if you remember, I put a $300 in for my gas last time, and we have $37 left. That is insane. And then we got some $1 to go into our big ass jar, our $1 savings challenge for the year. So let's fill her back up. All right, personal, you know, we get, is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Yep. We got 100. We set 20 aside. 20, Mr. Jackson. Let's open you up. Put you in here. So that's plus 22. And we have $2,247. That's going to be divvied up between these categories and our savings challenges. So without further ado, let's bring out Miss Wallet. Ooh, ooh. I have not done my change, so I'll do that off camera. Let's see what we have. Nothing probably. So in personal, we have 0. Groceries, we have, you know what, I think I need to start making me a rollover fund. We got some ones in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. Gas, can you believe it? We got some left over. I got this old $10 bill from the gas station, y'all. I was like, I don't even want to, you know, spin it or I don't want to do nothing with it. But Mr. Hamilton, this is an old one. But anywho, let's see how much we got. We got 20, 30, 1. Oh, wait, I got a 5 in here. So we got 20, 30, 5, 36, 37. So if you remember, I put a $300 in for my gas last time, and we have $37 left. That is insane. And then we got some $1 to go into our big ass jar, our $1 savings challenge for the year. So let's fill her back up. All right, personal, you know, we get, is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Yep. We got 100. We set 20 aside. 20, Mr. Jackson. Let's open you up. Put you in here. And then we take this last 20 and we put it in eat out. Here she come again, y'all. Yes, Kaimana. Ask Tita to help you and sit at the table, okay? Okay, we're gonna go back to groceries. Groceries is gonna get $400, so that's 4 100s. Hey, Mr. Franklin, you about to be spent soon as we finish this video, because I got a new refrigerator, y'all. Refrigerators are expensive. My goodness, but you know, my old refrigerator, it was not getting cold and so we got a new refrigerator and now it's time to go and fill it up. All right, gas, I am going to get, how much should I put for gas for me? I got my little cheat sheet right here. And I think I just did the 300. I'm gonna put 300 back in here to see how this week fares. Okay. Can y'all believe June is almost over? Like, where did the time go? Ain't that a song? Where did the time go? I don't know, making up my own. All right, put her to the side. Now we're going to do the wife's gas. So I'm giving her all 50s. I'll make sure she don't get that, the one with the star, because I'm gonna try to figure that out because I want that star. All right, so we got 50. So we got 5. For her gas, we're doing 250. We're gonna do 5 50s. 1, 2, 3. That's that 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna put this in the back. I'm gonna figure that out, y'all. And then for her personal, she's gonna get 100. So 1, 2. So she gets all 50s this go round. So she should have 350. So 51, 52, 53, 50. Give this to the wife when I see her. Now let's move on. All right, we're gonna start with my brother. I'm gonna have to figure out how to deposit this money because he's getting up there, y'all. So this go round, he is getting $130. Whoop, whoop, tone, tone. He is getting it. All right, so let's put this money in here correctly. Like my stuff is like all upside down, and maybe I'm upside down. Let's turn it this way. And some 20s here. And let's find some 10s. There we go. All right, we're backwards, but we're gonna count. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 350. Oh Lord, here we go. 350. 370. 390. 410. 430. 450. 470. 490. 510. 530. 540. 550. 560. 570. 575. 580. 585. 590. 591, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 600. 1, 2, 3, $603. Oh my goodness. See, a little bit goes a long way. He has been diligently sending me money every time he gets extra money. And he like, we going on this Hawaii cruise. And we are. All right, so car maintenance is going to get 20. I just went to go get oil change. So I need to pay myself back. I'm telling you, with this big old beast outside, that was 8 quarts of oil. OMG, 8. All right, so that is 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 111. $111 for car maintenance. Household is going to get 30. We have 20 and 30. Let's put you right here and put you right there, and let's count. 150, 170, 190, 210, 25, 226 dollars in household. And I have not got around to putting what this is, but this is going to be our month ahead. Once I get to 1,500, then I'm going to split it into all of the bills for the month in which I'm working on those binders and envelopes right now. So hopefully I'll have them done by mid-July. I'm not gonna say in a couple of weeks or next stuffing. I did say that last time, but you know, life be life. And so anywho, month ahead right now has $1,000 from what I put in last time, and we're gonna go ahead and put in another $100. So now we should have 1,100. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So $1,100 that we have for month ahead. We're not gonna do that. We is not gonna do that. Straighten out. There we go. There we go. All right, friends, that was it. Short and sweet and to the point, right? All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going grocery shopping, and then I'll come back and we'll be doing the savings challenges. Got big news for the savings challenge. I'm super happy about that, and trust and believe, I'm super happy about this. Matter of fact, let me see. Can I switch this out? Because I sure will. I'm going to say this. Let me see if I can switch this out real quick. You think I can? I don't think I have enough though. I don't even know how much I got right here. Let's see. 20, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Oh, darn it. Okay, I'm gonna figure it out. Watch me. Just watch me. Because I want to keep this 50. It's a star note. I want to keep it. Okay, I'm done. Thank you guys for rocking with me to the end of this video. Please do all the things: like, share, subscribe, and comment. I love you guys. Until next time, where we stuff the money for the savings challenges. Keep it moving, keep it going, keep it growing. Love you guys. Bye.